So, hi guys! Ngayon, ani day akong scenario every duty. Graveyard man ta for today's video. So, mani siya. Akong small office. Ganda kayo. Actually, play pen and ni Caleb. And while nag-duty ko, ang akong dua ka mga labis, nag-sleep nga sila. Tara ba na si Caleb and tara akong unit. And of course, naka-snack putak from Korea. Thank you to Miss Jem. So yeah, and practice ta og vlogging. So, welcome sa mga mag-subscribe sa atong YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a wonderful life, and just an encouragement also, whatever challenges we may face on our daily basis, it's a challenge. So it's for us to overcome since we are a child of God. So we can overcome all of those by God's grace. So padayon igsoon, ayaw paluya-luya. Kay naang Ginoo, mutabang ka nato. Bye!